Gus, Gus. Go see Daddy. Go get on Daddy. Get in Daddy's lap.
This seems to be for a close-up.
Gus, go get on Daddy's lap.
Gus, come here. Come here. Come on.
Oh.
I'm under here somewhere.
Gus, that's a good boy.
Can you see me?
Let's see. I can't see you this way.
Not that side.
Oh my gosh, he looks like a gigantic dog.
He's a gigantic. My chest is barefoot.
Gus. Hey, your kitty cat's outside. You want to see your kitties? Gus. Gus, you want to go bye-bye? You want to go bye-bye? You want to go bye-bye? He wants to play. Don't let him fall. Hey, Gus, where's Max?
I'm not hurt. I'm just covered in drool.
Did you hurt Daddy?
I'm not hurt. I'm just covered in drool.
Okay. You started it. Get him, Gus. Get Daddy.
How you gonna do that now? The cushion's down there.